Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and use Tesla's Boombox feature, okay? Which lets you play custom sounds and music outside your vehicle for a fun twist on your driving experience. So, step number one, guys, you want to access controls. Access the controls, okay? First, hop into your Tesla and tap on the controls icon on your touchscreen. This is where you'll customize the various settings for your vehicle, okay? Then you want to navigate to Boombox, guys. Navigate to Boombox. You can look for in the controls menu, you can look for toy box or entertainment options, okay? Look for those, and under this section, you will actually find a Boombox, okay? You'll find Boombox. Just tap on it to open the feature, then you can choose your sounds, guys. Once you're in the Boombox menu, you'll see a list of sounds available for you to play. Okay, Tesla actually offers a variety of preset sounds, or you can actually upload your own custom sounds, guys. So just tap on the sound you want to use. And then, of course, you can also set the volume level. Okay, before you start, adjust the volume level to your liking. Okay, you can find the volume slider in the Boombox menu. Make sure it's set to a level that's enjoyable without being overwhelming, guys. Okay, then you need to activate the Boombox. So to start using Boombox, make sure your vehicle is in park. Okay, you can then press play button to start the sound. Okay, enjoy the fun reactions from those around you as you drive by. And if you want, you can also turn it off. So when you're done with the fun, you can easily turn off Boombox by returning it to the menu. By returning to the menu and tapping the stop button, or simply switching back to the normal audio system. And that's it, guys. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further.